Good morning, students. In today's class, we will continue with Chapter 2, Tux Paint. I hope all the points are clear to you and you have done practice for different tools of Tux Paint. In earlier class, we have discussed about many features of Tux Paint and how can we start Tux Paint software and different tools and effects of Tux Paint like paint tools, haze brush shape, magic tools like brick magic, blur, grass and fill tool. In today's class, we will do next magic tool. It is flower tool. Okay. Now open your book, page number 17. And what is the use of this flower tool? It is a ready-made option to draw flowers on the canvas. Click on the flower tool, which is a sub-tool of the magic tool. You can see this is the flower tool. Bring the magic point over the grass. You can see, okay, you can draw these flowers like this with this stick. Okay, keep clicking on the grass area to add flowers. When we click with this magic wand, and flowers will be appear. You can see the effect. Likewise, select different colors to add colorful flowers on the grass. You can draw different colors of flowers. Now next tool is stamp tool. What is the use of stamp tool? It is a simple tool. It is used to put a stamp and add images on your drawing. This is the stamp tool. You can see this is blinking over here. Tux Paint already has some inbuilt stamps. Additional stamps can be downloaded from the following websites like www.tuxpaint.org and download Windows. Further select the link Tux Paint stamp 2009.628 and Win32 installer.exe. Okay, you can install many other Tux stamps from the net. On installing the stamp file, we can see various categories of stamps. You can see here in the subtool box, like you can see the penguin picture over there. Click on the stamp tool. This is the stamp tool. Choose any one stamp from the toolbox. You can see there are different stamps. For more steps, click on this right and left arrow. You can see the right and left arrow. Now select the cork stamp. Okay. You can also increase and decrease the size of the stamp using this slope bar just above the color palette. You can see over here, subtool box. Now click on the canvas and the stamp will be pasted. You can see stamp is like a picture. Okay. Now click on the canvas, stamp. Likewise, select the hut stamp and paste on the canvas. These are the ready-made stamps. We have to do only click and put it over here. You can also use the mirror image of the selected stamp. This is the mirror image. For mirror option below the right and left arrow keys in the subtool box. Click on the mirror button. This is the mirror button. You can see over here. Now paste the selected stamp beside the previous stamp. Okay, you can see the mirror image will come of the stamp. Now next tool is pattern brush shape. Tux Paint gives us an option to draw beautiful patterns using the paint tool. We can select any of the pattern shapes from the subtool box. You can see this is the subtool. Let us see how many beautiful patterns we can make. First select the paint tool. Now you will see the brush subtool box on the right hand side. Okay, we have selected this paint tool and this subtool box of paint tool is coming on your right side. Then select the filled circle shape and choose brown color from the palette. Draw the stem of a tree like this. Now scroll down and select vine shape. Okay, these are the vine shape and green color for the color palette. Okay, we can see the leaves will be drawn on the stem. Now move the pointer on the drawing area and draw the leaves by clicking on the stem. These are the vine tool. Okay. You will see a beautiful tree as shown in the figure. Now it is easy to draw a tree with these tools. Similarly, select other brush shape and see how many different patterns you can draw. Next tool is line tool. What is the use of line tool? It is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns. It works quite similar to the paint tool. The line tool has the same brush shape in the subtool box in the paint tool. Now, only difference between paint tool and line tool is the order in which the drawing is displayed. While using paint tool, you can see the images which you are drawing at the very moment, and on the other hand, while using line tool, you will see only a straight lines from the starting point to the ending point. The pattern appears only after you complete the lines and release the left mouse button. Now let us draw a pattern using the line tool. You can see, first select the line tool. This is the line tool. Choose any pattern from the subtool box of the line tool. First click on this line tool and draw a straight line as shown in the figure. Okay, we have drawn this straight line. Then release the left mouse button. You will get a straight pattern in place of that line. Okay, new pattern will come, but it is straight. Now, if you draw an inclined line, you will find an inclined pattern. Okay, you have to choose these options from the subtool box of the line. Line tool has the same brush shape in the subtool box as in the paint tool. Now there is one, let's know more. You can add more colors by clicking on the last option, the colors palette. After clicking on it, the more color dialog box will appear. First select any color of your choice and click on back button to go back to the main screen and use the selected color. There is one another, let's know, to create a new file in the paint, you select the new tool and choose any background, then click on open button present at the bottom of left side of the canvas. Now next, move on to next point is saving a file. How can we save a picture or file in Tux Paint? Tux Paint provides an easy method to save work using the save tool. You can see there is a save tool. There is no need to mention the file name in the Tux Paint because it saves your file as a thumbnail rather than giving it a file name. Okay, the naughty penguin confirm that you have successfully saved your file. Now next option is how can we open a saved file? To open an already saved file, click on open tool. This is the open tool. You will see all the images that have been saved in Tux Paint till date, and you can easily click on the image that you want to open. Okay, now click on open button. Now there is one, know the fact. Eraser tool is also there, used to erase drawing in Tux Paint like paint. And you can view all the saved files in the form of a slideshow by clicking on slide button also, and click on play button to view the slideshow. Okay, if you want to view the slideshow, we can click on play button too. The slide view shows every image in the form of a big slide. At the bottom right side of the screen, you will find the back button. Click on it to go back to the previous window. Now the let us recall point is, which mascot in Tux Paint helps you in knowing more about the Tux Paint tool. Okay children, now we have done chapter 2. Please revise all the tools and do practice at your home. Okay, now there is some point and a glance I will revise for you. Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing program for young children. It has a large variety of tools that help the children to bring out their creativity. The paint tool is used to create freehand drawing as well as to draw various ready-made patterns. Each tool in Tux Paint has many options in subtool box. Magic tool is used to give amazing effect to a picture. Fill tool is used to fill colors in an object. Line tool is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns. Stamp tool is used to add a ready-made stamp in your drawing. Save tool is used to save the drawing. And Tux Paint saves a file as a thumbnail rather than a file name. Okay student, now we have completed this. Now I will give you homework exercise D and E. Okay, open page number 21 in your book.